Okay. Okay. Looks like I am all alone. Nobody's here. So let's do this. Okay, there are some viewers. I don't know where they are. Okay, let's start with the market analysis today. So what was happening in the market and like what all happened? I hope you guys can see my screen. It's not. Okay, now it should be visible. Okay, I'll just check if it's visible or not. Yeah, it's pretty much visible. So okay, let's start with what happened on Nifty. On yesterday's analysis, we discussed that a little bit of it. I'll discuss Nifty futures first. So this is the point and figure chart for Nifty futures, and opening up the. This is the daily time frame. Chart is not updated. Just give it a second. This is for 28. The price action will come just in a minute. In the meantime, I'll also open Bank Nifty also. Till the time it updates. Okay, this is also 28. So we got a move. Let's see what happens. Why am I not? Why is it not updating? This is weird. Yeah, this is 29th. Okay. So this is what happened yesterday. Okay, so this was the low that we were around. So we made a lower low today. Okay, so supposedly the low that as per point and figure is 10,606. I think we made almost even lower than this, uh, as far as I remember. But now what I see is that like uh, the ADX is trying to move up. Okay, and also we are seeing that this column of X. So we had a very good bullish move at the end. So the price tried to capture this MA, which was the 20 MA. Okay, so we have managed to close above this. We're 10,699. So now if I can, so this is a good place where I can take a retracement. So if I take a retracement from the highs of the 11,000 we made just recently on futures to this low, this is the low. Just give me a second because it takes a little bit of time. Sometimes the retracement is not correct. Okay, I hope it gets done. Yeah, it got done. Okay, I'll remove the. Okay, so this seems like the retracement from highs of 11,000 on future to the low of 10,606. Okay, so now if we move, assuming this move is correct, so we should see a retracement at least. I'm expecting a retracement till at least 10,750, 10,788. So as you see, 10,798 and 755. This would be like I would be expecting this retracement to happen. I mean, it is very much possible that the retracement fails. Okay, I've seen it fail. It's not that, but these are one of those things that can happen. In case we open gap down tomorrow, okay, then if this is an anchor column, then you can think the count as to be yes 10,777 because we'll be getting a column reversal in case it's a gap down, and in case it's a gap up, it will be a continuation of this column. I'm taking into the consideration that we are getting a gap down, which I am not sure. I haven't looked at Dow Jones or SGX what they are doing. So assuming it's a gap down, 10,077, 10,863 is possible. And for us to again head lower, then you can assume that the high pole formation would be 653. So if we go low by 653, then you can assume that we might be heading lower. So this is the Nifty analysis. We have done most of the counts got achieved in this. So there is not a lot of stuff left, okay, for Nifty to do. Now I will look at Bank Nifty. What Bank Nifty has done is Okay, I think there was a connectivity problem. So let me just again. Okay, we had a connectivity issue, something like that. I'm sorry, guys. Some connectivity issue. I think you guys lost me. So uh, I'll try and ask what where they were. Hmm, okay, nobody is there. So, ah, okay, I think I'll just do it again. My bad. Didn't see that. Okay, again I'll do the Nifty Bank Nifty analysis. Hmm. So doing the Nifty Bank Nifty analysis. This is what Nifty looks like for today. Uh, Yesterday, like here, we almost stopped at the lows of 10,651. Then we made a lower low today on an intraday chart. So based on this, for the target that I was expecting, I think 10,569 was my expectation. I think it got done. I think what I mean to remember is that it got done. So the Nifty futures made a low of 10,597. Okay. So not exactly the 570, it didn't get done. But yeah. Uh, Today this low, we held this low, now we have moved up. So the price has closed above the 21 MA, which is a good sign. But still, if you look at the daily chart, then it's not a good thing that is looking at this time. Okay, I was trying to do a retracement. I did a retracement just a few minutes back on the video. Yes. So if we move up from here, so probably look, I mean, around these values, 10,755, 798. So these are where like Nifty could do a pause and then try to resume. So look at these. Now, if I look at the daily chart, the daily chart for Nifty is looking like this. Yes, we are still, it is a bit bearish. The price is below the moving averages. The price, I mean, ADX has not given a sell signal, but it's bearish. To capture this, the column reversal would happen at 703, almost 40 points. Difficult. So yeah, index is not that looking good. I'll now also look at Bank Nifty. Looking at Bank Nifty now. Okay. Bank Nifty also, as I was talking that like we got these. This was a quadruple bottom sell. This was a triple bottom sell. Then almost it just failed. I think this is almost failed. Or I think this will fail above this. I think. Okay. Yeah. So something to see is that we have this high pole here on Bank Nifty. which was at 26807. For this high pole to fail, it will fail above 26821. We are still far from this level by about, I think, 80 odd points. But we have to see, because there is a lot of difference between spot and the futures today. I'm not sure why. Because of the last moment, I think whatever happened in the last 15 minutes because of that. But yes, we need to scale this. 26821 needs to be breached, okay, for us to move higher, or we might again fall. This is the intraday analysis. Now the daily analysis on the daily chart. Okay. Yeah. So this is it again. Very visible that it's a sell on this time frame. Okay, so if it moves a little lower, then probably there is still room for. I mean, there is room for correction. Okay, I still the thing is that this column which has made a low of 26 to 61. Uh, if this column does not get broken, then probably we'll get an up move. But it is very much possible for Bank Nifty to test 26,200 levels. I mean, it's possible. Okay, we might move up from there, but it's possible. So tomorrow's action again important. Let's see if we get a follow-up sell or not. Now coming, this is I think done. Bank Nifty and Nifty. I'll now do a bit of sectoral analysis. Let's see which sectors are doing what. And if anybody is there today again. Okay. Okay, on the sectoral front, Nifty Media, IT. Yeah, I think we saw TCS yesterday. It did well today too, I think. Media, IT, CPSE, FMCG. Okay. So these four sectors are now outperforming Nifty. So you should keep a track of these four sectors: media, IT, CPSE, FMCG. FMCG was not on the list, I think, yesterday. It somehow came up. So keep a track of these four sectors: the FMCG, CPSE, IT, media. Okay, and on the underperforming sectors: energy, auto, fin service, commodities, Nifty Bank. Okay, Nifty Bank and Private Bank are now the underperformance. They are completely underperforming again. Okay, so if you see in the top five underperforming sectors, again, this is I mean, it's crucial to watch. The financial sector, Nifty Bank, Private Bank, commodities, auto, energy. Okay, let's see. First, let's see the top sectors because uh, the new addition I think we got was. I mean, we'll check out the new addition first. The new addition we got was FMCG, right? I'll only check the FMCG today. Mm. So FMCG, UBL, ITC, HUL, McDowell. Okay, I'll check UBL, what UBL is up to. UBL is okay, kind of okay. Okay, in this thing, this was the count that was there first. This got done. This also. This is pending. Probably it might get done. So keep an eye on UBL. I think above 1438, you can. Okay, the chart was not updated. Okay, my bad. Okay, so tomorrow, so this is a high pole formation of this. So if we get a double top buy at 147T3, then probably you should look for longs on UBL. So this is 1479. I mean 1479 you can look for. Uh, Good enough to do. Okay, ITC. We'll also check ITC, Hind, Unilever. This ITC. Let us see. Okay, so it's a price action. 15. Okay, we have got a triple top buy. Yeah. So the low pole was formed at 274. We got a triple top buy here, but again it's bearish at this time. I am not very bullish on ITC because of this count should get done. I think it will touch 271 first. Don't go on buying ITC at this time. Uh, Now let's check also Hind Unilever. Hind Unilever is yeah action for 29th. You can probably buy it if it moves a little more up, but it will have it. I mean, because the ADX is a sell, I would consider buying it if the ADX gives a buy. I mean, just avoid. I think for this moment, HUL can be avoided. McDowell's, I'll check also. I'm checking because whenever there's a new entry in these sectors, it does interest me. What is happening? Yeah, McDowell at is okay, kind of okay. Nothing as special. We need more price action. So out of this, I think only UBL was looking pretty okay. Now I'll also check another bullish sector was IT. We checked yesterday. So okay, I'll check one of the bearish sectors today. Okay, so the bearish sector was auto and okay, private bank. I mean, I'll check banks because we also had results coming out for Axis Bank, so probably we need to look at it. The bank index, which is Yes Bank, RBL, HDFC. Okay, HDFC has turned bearish. So I don't know, but with HDFC Bank turning bearish, I'm not very comfortable taking longs on Bank Nifty. Oh no, it's not looking good. Yesterday, this is what I was saying, na? That it's not looking good. 2069.4. It came today, right? So let's see if this could also be possible. 2030, I mean 36, very much on the cards. 2036. So HDFC Bank is very bearish. One of them also. Let's check Axis also. Again, Axis is kind of okay. The result, but see, this is the low pole formation. So the support is at 251. We're at 670. But we need to see what happens. Not nothing doing on Axis right now. You're on the lower time frame also. Yeah, same thing. This is a very big price action. This thing of high of 672, low of 653. If it doesn't break this high, I mean, and also this high is also there. Okay, if it doesn't break the high of 680 something, 681, I mean, I don't think it will go up. It needs to break this. So if it doesn't break this, then forget about it. Uh, Also, I'll check Yes Bank also. Okay, this is Yes Bank. Yes Bank, yeah, nothing as such looking bearish as I told even yesterday. So again, possible for it to test 194. Whatever it has done is done. And on the upside, 253 is possible. So look for these both of these counts, 253 and 194, because I think 206 got done. This is left. Either it will move up and capture 253. So still, these constituents are not giving me any hope. Uh, I think that's all for me for today. Not a lot of thing to discuss at this time. I wish you guys a very profitable day. I mean, for tomorrow, and have a good day. Thanks, guys. Thank you for coming. Take care.